Good morning, Tammie. Matthew from Wayne Phyllis here at Christie's Beach, enjoying a beautiful day out in the sun, showcasing this amazing 2018 ZB Commodore. Absolutely beautiful metallic grey, running on 18-inch Holden rims. Beautiful lines of this car. The RS model liftback with an absolutely huge storage facility for the boot. For convenience, remote start, so you can have your car ready and running for the morning, whether it's cold and you need it to be nice and toasty, or if it's very warm outside, you can have the air conditioner running so it's all nice and comfy for when you get in. It is upholstered in partial leather with cloth highlights, electrically adjustable seats for fine tuning and comfort. It has done just under 76,000 kilometers. It is full touch screen, dual zone climate control, all of your standards, cruise control, volume and telephone functions available from your steering wheel. This car is an absolute joy to drive. It's nimble, it's easy to steer, it's easy to park. Most of all, it's here waiting for you. This is a car that just yearns to be driven, and it needs you to take it out for a test drive and fall in love with it just like we have. Thanks, Tammie. Talk to you soon.